Today, we are about to go all out blonde on our model and embrace the power of a complete transformation. Start by sectioning the hair into 4 quadrants and clip them away from each other. Starting at the back of the head, take a small section of hair and start your back-to-back foil application using blonde Orplex mixed with Wella Perfect 3%, starting about 1/4 of an inch away from the roots and working your way down to the ends. Be sure to saturate the hair evenly. Once all of the sections in the back quadrants have been placed in foils, move on to the side sections. Finish with the fringe section. Next, pull the foil slightly from the end of the hair, revealing the beginning of your foil, then apply the roots. This will help to create a smoother transition between the foil and roots and prevent a visible line from forming. Once the desired level obtained, rinse the hair thoroughly to remove all traces of lightener and shampoo using the Color Motion Plus shampoo and conditioner. Follow by applying a combination of 15 grams of 10/96, 10 grams of 8/0 and 2 grams of 0/88, mixed with 26 grams of Wella Perfect 6% at the roots, and a combination of 15 grams of 10/96, 10 grams of 10/0, and 1 grams of 0/88, mixed with Wella Perfect 6% developer on mid-shaft and end. Using a classic tint application for each section, starting from the nape and finishing with the top and fringe section, always making sure that the hair is fully saturated. Let the hair process according to the manufacturer's instructions. Rinse and apply the Wellaplex No. 2 mask to help restore moisture and balance porosity.